Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I hope that you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty and taking care of yourself and your family. This is your English grammar class. In our previous class, we have completed unit number 5. And the name of unit number 5 was Past Continuous Tense with Simple Past. And today, we are going to start our new unit, new lesson, that is Future Continuous Tense, and it is your unit number 6. Let's start. Before starting unit number 6, Future Continuous Tense, I want to show you the previous work, that was your homework of unit number 5. And I hope that you all have completed all the activities and exercises of unit number 5. Yes, students, you can tally your answers of exercise A, exercise B. I am showing you the answers. Then exercise C, extended practice. We have completed these 3 sentences in our online class, and this was your homework, and I hope that you all have completed accurately like this. After this, we had another activity, Learn to Write, in which you had to write 6 sentences on what your friends were doing when the break ended, and 6 sentences on what your family members were doing when you reached home. I hope, students, in this way you have made title page, and then you have completed your work like this. Now we are going to start our unit number 6, Future Continuous Tense, which is on page number 26 of Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2. I hope that you have opened the page. And what we are going to do first, we are going to read a poem, and you are going to read with me, okay? The sun will be shining, the moon will be smiling, the birds will be singing, the bells will be ringing, the friends will be meeting, the guest will be eating, my face will be beaming, I will be dreaming. Okay, students, what you have got? Will. Yes, you have got will and ing form of verb here. That will shows future, as you know well, and ing form shows continuous action, ongoing action. So you have got that there are so many continuous action here, and all the actions are in future tense. Here you can see that a boy is mesmerizing, a boy is imagining a mesmerizing view of a park or somewhere else, where there will be a sun, there will be a moon, birds, bells, friends, and a guest, and you also. And what will be you doing? What you will be doing there? Yes, you will be enjoying and dreaming there. And sun will be shining, moon will be smiling, birds will be singing there, as you can see in the picture. And there is a very mesmerizing and very beautiful view there, and you will be enjoying all these things. So I have told you that we are going to learn future continuous tense. Future, in which we use will, continuous ongoing action, in which we use ing form of verb, and it is used to express an ongoing action, a continuous action, which will happen at some time in future. It means that action will be happening at future, but it will be an ongoing action, a continuous action. I hope you have got, as you have studied present continuous and past continuous, so it is not difficult for you to learn future continuous tense. So I am repeating the definition or the usage of this tense, that future continuous tense is used to express an ongoing action which will happen at some time in future. Remember, the action will be happening in future. In this tense, we use will be as an auxiliary verb and ing form of verb. Will be shows ongoing action and it is the be form of will be. How can we understand this tense further? We can understand the tense with the help of a timeline, in which you can see I have mentioned 3 time or tenses: present, past and future. And I have mentioned ongoing action. It is a continuous process in future. Let us understand with the help of examples. जैसा कि आप डेफिनेशन से समझ चुके हैं कि फ्यूचर में एक एक्शन होगा और वो कंटिन्यूड होगा, मतलब जारी काम होगा। कोई ऐसा काम जो इन प्रोसेस होगा और वो फ्यूचर में होगा, तो उसके लिए हम कौन सा टेंस यूज करते हैं? फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस। और उसमें जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यूज होता है वो विल बी होता है तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ, और आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जिसको हम प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल भी कहते हैं। नाउ मूविंग टू एग्जांपल्स, हियर वी कैन सी सो मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स, प्रोनाउंस हियर, एंड देन वी हैव will be or will not be. Where do we use will not be? When we want to make negative sentence. Here you have got that we have put not between will and be. हमने not को कहाँ put किया है? will be के बाद put नहीं किया, बल्कि will और be के बीच में. Okay? Between will and be. We have used not to make the sentence negative. Now let's start reading with me. I will be waiting for you tomorrow. We will be leaving for Karachi next week. You will not be taking photos in the party. He will be sleeping in his bed tonight. She will be cooking mixed vegetables for us. And they will not be planning their trip next Sunday. So students, in this way you can make so many sentences by using will be and ing form of verb, and you can make sentences in future continuous tense. Okay students, now we are moving towards the activity. On page number 27 we have been given an activity in which we have to circle the correct option. What you have to do, you have to circle the correct option by looking at the picture. ओके, आपको पिक्चर में एक्शन देखना है कि वही एक्शन परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है या नहीं। अगर किया जा रहा है तो यू हैव टू यूज विल बी, एंड इफ द एक्शन इज नॉट बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड इन द पिक्चर देन यू विल यूज विल नॉट बी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्टिविटी. In our first sentence we can see it is already solved. Ali will be or will not be playing in badminton in the evening. And in the picture what can we see? Yes, हमें नजर आ रहा है कि जो बॉय है अली, he is playing badminton. So we have to use future continuous tense for this. Ali will be playing badminton in the evening. In the same way we have to solve the next one. Roshan will be or will not be taking exercise in the gym. Now look at the picture. Here he is not taking exercise. He is riding a bicycle. So we have to choose the negative one. Roshan will not be taking exercise in the gym. In the same way you will solve the third one. The students will be or will not be shouting in the class. Yes, what's going on in the picture? As you can see, students are, yes, they are shouting in the class. So how can we make this sentence in future continuous tense? By selecting will be. Very good. The students, will be shouting in the class. इसी तरह से आपको रिमेनिंग सेंटेंसेस को भी सॉल्व करना है. पिक्चर में एक्शन देखिए और फिर करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. यू हैव टू चूज द पॉजिटिव वन और द नेगेटिव. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी. एक्सरसाइज बी. Complete the sentences to make future continuous tense. You have to complete the sentence and you have to add will be and verb plus ing. Yes. So how can we make the sentence? Let's solve the first one. My mother. Verb has been given offer. Isha prayer at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Now we have to use will be to make it future continuous. My mother will be offering Isha prayer at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Second one, verb has been given get ready. He get ready for school at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now we have to make it in future continuous tense. He will be getting. Getting is the verb and we have to add ing. He will be getting ready for school at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Next sentence. The builder. The builder is the subject here, the doer of an action. Build is the verb. We have to change it into ing form or present participle, building. The builder will be building a new house for us soon. Remaining 3 sentences will be done by you. आप लोग ये 3 sentences जो हैं ये खुद से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा and try to complete the activity. Okay students? Now on page number 28 extended practice has been given. आपको मज़ीद प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Here we have been given some phrases to complete the sentence. Complete the sentences using suitable phrases from the box. आपको इन phrases को इन sentences में put करना है. He dash when the sun rises in the morning. When the sun rises in the morning is the action which will happen in future. It is the specific action. ये एक action जो कि future में ही हो रहा होगा. किस तरह से? He, yes, what will be the suitable option? Open the windows, sleep soundly, close the shops, leave the platform, bloom nicely and wait in the lounge. What will be the suitable option? When the sun rises, जब सूरज तुलू होगा वो क्या कर रहा होगा? Yes, he will be opening the windows. Second one, the lazy man dash when his son knocks at the door. जब उसका बेटा डोर नॉक करेगा, दरवाजा नॉक करेगा, then what will be the lazy man doing? Lazy man क्या कर रहा होगा? Yes, I have picked. I have identified what will be the correct option. Have you identified? Yes. The second one. The lazy man will be sleeping soundly. वो सो रहा होगा. Third one. The train dash when we arrive at the station. When we arrive at the station, what will be happening? Yes. Train will be leaving the platform. Oh, means that you have got late. You will be late when you reach the station or when you arrive at the station. The train will be leaving the platform. Yes, in this way you have to write it down. Number 4, they dash when their flight gets late. Number 5, the flowers dash when the spring season begins. The shopkeepers dash when the sun sets. Sunsets means opposite of sun rising. सूरज का तुलू होना. Sunset means सूरज का गुरूब होना. The shopkeepers क्या कर रहे होंगे? What they will be doing when the sun sets. Now we have 3 actions left. Close the shops. Bloom nicely. Wait in the lounge. You have to choose the correct phrase with the sentence to make it suitable. Okay? Now, I hope that you will do it very easily. After this, we have word bank. in which some phrases are given. Visit a park, go for a walk, have healthy breakfast, greet friends, take tests, give charity, eat sweets, make a bed, perform ablution, revise my lessons, host a party, do swimming, go for shopping, study well, offer prayer, watch television, swim in the pool, and learn stitching. You have to use this word bank in your learn to write activity. You can use some phrases from this word bank. आप इस word bank से भी कुछ phrases को use कर सकते हैं. They are very easy and all the actions are very easy for you. And I think you all perform these actions in your routine life. Now we have on page number 29 learn to write activity. Speaking activities will be done in your physical classes inshallah. Exercise A, write 6 sentences on the things that you will be doing on coming Eid. And exercise B, write 6 sentences on the things that you will be doing this weekend. So for this activity you have to make title page of the unit and then note down question number A, activity number A in your notebook, the question of the activity, and then you will write 6 sentences that what you will be doing on coming Eid. There are so many examples. आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं coming Eid पे, क्या कर रहे होंगे. You will be wearing new clothes, you will be having sheer khurma, you will be having fun with your friends, and you will be going to seaside, or you will be visiting a park, you will be receiving Eid, or you will be greeting your friends, or you will be hosting a party. So what will be the subject? Yes, you will use I because you are answering me, okay? So you can write I will be having fun with my friends. I will be wearing new clothes, like this. You have to make 6 sentences. And activity number B, you have to write 6 sentences on the things that you will be doing this weekend. इस weekend पे आप क्या कर रहे होंगे? So you can answer like this. I will be going for a walk. I will be revising my lesson. I will be completing my pending work. But you have to start your answer with this weekend. Okay students, I hope that you have got. क्या करना है आपको 6 sentences एक्टिविटी A के लिए भी करने हैं और 6 आपको B के लिए भी करने हैं. और किस तरीके से करने हैं इंशाल्लाह it will be shown in PDF in future. ओके आपको फ्यूचर में PDF भी सेंड कर दी जाएगी. सो यू कैन टेल योर आंसर्स और करेक्ट योर मिस्टेक्स. It's time to note down the homework. I hope students you have got future continuous tense in which we use will be and ing form of verb, and it shows ongoing action that will happen at some time in future. Okay? Note down the homework, complete book exercises and learn to write activities of unit number 6. See you in the next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.